Hi, my name is Fred Kneble from Kneble's Auto Service Center, and I want to thank all of you out there in Facebook land for liking us. We just got over 1,000 likes, and I'd like to share you my appreciation by giving the next 5 people a gift certificate for 25 bucks. And the way you're going to do that is actually come in the door, say, I liked you on Facebook, now show me the money. The next 5 people to give me that phrase will get a $25 gift certificate that you could use anytime. I also want to thank my wife. She does a wonderful job in doing these videos. She researches her information. She gives you all that great stuff. So I want to thank her, and I want to thank my son for actually doing the production. So thank you all for helping us out and liking us Facebook. So the next 5 of you come in, like us. You say you liked us on Facebook. Now show me the money and I'll give you that $25 gift certificate, and thank you so much for supporting us. Now if you need anything that you want to hear about on our video, any car issues, just put it on the comments below and give us a like. Thank you so much.